feel good. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. That was crispy. Mm-hmm. It's a summertime favorite here. Got us some turkey wings. And they was on sale. And when they on sale, you cannot pass this deal up. And these things are gigantic. Yes, yes. So of course y'all know we gonna wash them with all our poultry. We wash them with vinegar and water. So go ahead, cut these tips off. Let's get it lined up. There we go. You can easily get you a knife as well. But I like using these things. Okay, that one came off smooth for me. Alright, let's take our knives and cut the rest of this. Right where the skin is at. Alright. Keep a little skin. This one not too bad. Yeah, we can go ahead and keep that. Alright, y'all, we're gonna wash these, get everything prepped up, season them, get them on the smoker. We're gonna take them up till they real tender. Tender and crispy. Alright, these things are clean. Let's get them dry so we can season them. So the skin can be a little crispy. Alright. Alright, we're gonna put a little olive oil on here and get them seasoned. Just gonna do these real simple. I'm gonna throw a little Lorry's on here and my own rub. You can use your own favorite rub, or you can use just salt and pepper, or you can get like a nice poultry herb seasoning rub that'll work well for this as well. You know, do jerk, do whatever you want. Just make them good. Like that. Let's get up in there. Yep. I gotta make some more rub. I'm running out. Get the other side. Tell you what, smell good already. Always check the sodium level on your rubs. That way you know how heavy you can go or how soft you can go. So we go a little softer with the Lorry's. And since we don't have too much salt in this rub, we go a little heavy. Let this sit a minute. And we're gonna put it on the old smoker. Let it come up to temp. Get on outside. And we having fun as always. Ready to go on here now, y'all. Yeah. Ooh-wee. We're gonna go fat side up. We got the smoker hot, baby. Alright, just like that. Let it roll. 2 hours. Look at that though. Okay. About 172. 180 on that one. And 172. I think I'm gonna pull them. Cause they look good. Feel good. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, that was crispy. Mm-hmm. 2 hours, y'all. Boy, that's delicious. All right. Man, let these cool down. Put them on a platter. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Look how beautiful it looks. Mm. Oh, yes. Mm. Crunchy and tender. Mm-mm. Oh, that's so delicious. Man, ain't nothing better than turkey wing. And it's smoked. Mm-mm. What we use on that one, baby? Hickory and apple?
Yes.
Hickory and apple. 2 hours. I let them things get up a little high. I let these get up to about 185. The flats got up to 185. And then we let the drums get up to like 175. Because our drums are white meat, so we don't want them to dry out. But man, whoo! I love that. I got me some beans and rice on the side. Y'all know how I do it.
Yummy, yummy.
Yes, yes. But check this out. I'm about to plate this up. Me and the camera lady gonna go ahead and eat. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate your time as always. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. And we gonna cook up something good again. All right. Peace.